All the ghosts and goblins out in Port Washington, they're out trick-or-treating as well. And yes, it's kind of just a cloudy and cold day. 46 degrees at the moment in Port Washington, and not expecting the temperatures to drop a whole lot. We really only were stuck in the 40s for most of us throughout the day today. Barely got into the 50s in Milwaukee, 51 for the high. Typically, we're seeing those temperatures in the mid-50s this time of the year. And yes, of course, with the clouds and some of that light rain sprinkle activity, we have fallen into the 40s for most of us, except for you folks. Lake Geneva, 50 degrees. Not a whole lot of wind at the moment, and that's going to be changing for tomorrow. So enjoy this light wind and the cloudy and mostly dry conditions that we have right now. If you can get those kids out trick-or-treating today instead of tomorrow, that's the better bet. But there is some hope in that 7-day forecast. We'll show you that in a bit. 49 though right now, with a little sprinkle heading out over Lake Michigan across Shorewood. 48 in Glendale. 50 with drier, cloudy skies though in Wauwatosa. You can see that little batch of light rain, light sprinkle activity still hanging out in Racine, Kenosha County. Can still see a little bit of that just starting to push out over Lake Michigan. Again, not expecting much accumulation from this system. Up to the north and to the west though, this is going to bring more impressive rain to our forecast. So let's time it out for you. 9:30 tonight. If you're going to be brewing something in the cauldrons, you'll be okay for those trick-or-treaters and Halloween parties. Cloudy skies, just temperatures on the cool side. By tomorrow morning, you see these oranges showing up across southeastern Wisconsin. That could even bring a chance for some thunderstorms as early as about 6 o'clock in the morning. So it's going to be a wet start to your Sunday. I think by the middle of the day, those showers will start to taper off a little bit. Still a chance to see another 1/10 of an inch though throughout the afternoon. Notice at 4:30 though, most of us are going to be drying out as the sun sets. We'll be looking at drier weather. So evening trick-or-treating going to be drier than midday trick-or-treating. So if you have the option, I'd say go later in the day. The problem with later in the day, the winds are going to start to kick up, and those are going to bring some breezy and blustery conditions. Sunshine does return as we get into the work week. How much rain are we talking? Most of that rain starts to push in after about 3 o'clock in the morning, and then the heaviest rain is going to be tomorrow morning. By the time we get to your Monday with drier skies, most of us about 1/10 of an inch, almost up to 1/2 of an inch of rain. And again, majority of that is going to fall late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So that's much better news for the trick-or-treaters tomorrow. Overnight, 42 degrees. Again, showers moving on in mainly after about 3 o'clock in the morning. The heaviest chance for rain is going to be during your Sunday morning. High temperatures still stuck in the 40s with that chance of rain. Again, showers coming to an end as the sun begins to set. So your trick-or-treat forecast for tomorrow, if you're going to dance with the mummies and hang out with jam with Frankenstein, temperatures again going to be in the 40s. Again, the best chance of rain is going to be earlier. So if you've got that 1 o'clock trick-or-treat time tomorrow, that's the one you're going to want to bring the umbrellas. By the evening though, witches, got to hold on to your broomsticks because it's going to get windy by the end of the day behind the rain. Behind that, Monday looking really nice. Bad timing, Mother Nature. Sunshine, 53 degrees. A chance for some showers on Tuesday afternoon, especially south of Milwaukee. Then on Wednesday's Halloween. I got to move a little jack-o'-lantern for you, but Wednesday's looking pretty gosh darn good. And then the scariest thing on that 7-day forecast, the rain-snow mix on Friday. We'll be right back.